What are you doing? What are you doing? It's nap time. It's nap time and you've been playing back here. Say hi. Say hi. Wave hi. Yeah. Have you been chewing on this wood too? Yeah. Are you proud of yourself? Let's see. I see some bite marks. Yep. Oh man, you've done lots of damage over here. Lots of damage. What do you think about that, Jessie? What do you think? Yeah, it's nap time. Jessie, no sir.